Hello and welcome to a video. We're picking this video up off exactly where I left off in the last one. Literally in the same spot, same everything in the 240, you know, kicking it. I gotta pull her up in the driveway and rip all the wheels back off so I can roll the fenders. I got the roller, so that's pretty dope. I think I'm gonna try and roll the ones in the Supra, depending on how fast this goes. So we'll see. We can pull it up in the driveway and we'll take a closer look. So we out here. It's cold today. It's like 60. Which is cold here in New Mexico. That's why I'm wearing this and a long sleeve. First time I actually had to wear a long sleeve in a while. Usually I just wanted to. Anyways, we're gonna start the rolling process here. I got the roller and I've never exactly used one. I've seen it done before. We're gonna figure this one out here. I just gotta start messing with stuff, I guess, and figure out some nonsense because I'm not 100% sure on what's going down. Alright, I ran into a problem here. So, I think the car is too low. Okay, maybe it'll work. We'll see. We will figure it out together. No, I think it's gonna work. It's gonna be dope. You good, princess?
That's okay.
Fender rolling's hard, I'll tell you what. Frank!
Yeah.
Frank!
Look.
I'm currently being rained out right now. Taking a quick break. There's some difficult stuff, I'll tell you what. Alrighty. I got this one rolled. And it's super, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like super nice roll. And I kind of had it flare out just a bit. You can't really tell on camera. You can feel it, that's about it. What's up? That one's done and it barely fit because the car's so low, but the front, it's so low that I had to lower the coilover. I had to drop the coilover right here to get that other ½ inch so I could actually fit the roller on the bead. But you know, if your car's too low, you gotta do this. Frank, look, you gotta do this if your car's too low. You gotta drop the coil without adjusting all the nonsense. Alrighty, I got front and rear rolled and it's like super good. I showed you the rear, I think. Come on, watch out, Paco. Get out of the way. And the front I got super good. And the same on the rear, I got a tiny little bit of pull going on here. I haven't test drove it yet because I'm going to do the other side first, but I rolled it all the way down to here and then to there. Same on that side.
I honestly thought you were talking to Paco.
Anyways, I'm going to pull this side off and roll it and do some nonsense. I don't get it. Look at this nonsense. It's like
Slap it out at 9,000 RPM.
something going on here. Poking hard here. I have a camber issue. Greg.
What is that? What's camber?
Yo, what's up? What's cracking? It's the day after I rolled the fenders. So, I didn't film much. I'm sorry. It's because I just got caught up doing stuff. Bunch of people over. I forgot the camera was there. I didn't film. Anyways, I do want to show you this. So, it's not this high. Alright, keep that in mind. It's just because I'm on that route right now. See that fender is tucking hard. So is the other side. So it's just flexed out right now. But I got a real nice roll on all of them. As you can see how, just get over here. You can get a better angle. Look at that nonsense. You see that? You see that? That's crazy. The fender is currently, still zoomed. You can see there's some rubbish. Ooh, excuse me. Frodo, chill out. You can see there's some rubbish right here. There's a little crease, but that's no big thing. But yeah, she's tucking. I literally couldn't even fit. Here, for example. This is that crispy clean fitment. All right, here's a key. All right, take this key. Nothing. Look at that. So, but she's flexed out right now. So it's on this root. And so you can see this other side right here. There's a bunch of gap, just like on the other back one, because it's flexed out. But look at this. What? Do you see that? I can fit a key in this one. I can't turn the key sideways. So, my goodness, I'm tucking tire right there. And keep in mind, it's not a small tire. That's a 255. Where is it at? Boom, right there. 255. I'm tucking a 255 with a stock 240 fender. What? What? No. And once again, to clarify, showing you those rolled fenders, you could probably see, is that gonna stay? It'll stay. You could probably see all the chipped paint. I know, I'm aware. It kind of hurt my heart a little because I did paint the car, but at the same time, I want to repaint it, and I'm not keeping the metal fenders, so I'm gonna get fiberglass fenders, so I'm gonna have to paint those again anyways. And then I'm gonna get rear over fenders eventually. So it's not a big deal. I'm gonna paint the car again, and all the fenders that are currently chipped and cracked, I'm getting new ones. So, not a big deal. Leave me alone. I know it sucks. I know, I'm aware. It looks bad. I don't care right now. Once again, this is still, I think, higher than it sits, because the driveway's not even. Yeah, it looks more like this, but this one might be a little tucked. I don't know. If it's on flat ground, you could really tell. This is about where the front sits right now. That's about right. And see this one, I'm still not 100%. So you can't really tell, but the driveway's not flat. It slopes this way, and it slopes this way. So keep that in mind. But that looks about right, that fitment, which pretty icy, not gonna lie. Because it's about one finger. And this is a little more than one finger, so it goes up to my big knuckle, my middle knuckle there, and I can pass that. But I mean, it might have flared out. I haven't tested it since I rolled it, so this might be where it's at. I don't exactly know. It'd have to be on flat ground. But here's an issue I'm running into that I don't understand. Look at this tire, right? I know they're slightly turned, but just look at how much tire is sticking out. Barely any. And then if you come to this side, there's a lot more tire is sticking out. So like, look, if you look, it comes roughly to that knuckle. You come over here, it definitely does not come to that knuckle. And I don't understand, because both camber plates are maxed out. Max negative camber, which should be -4 degrees of camber. And I'm sorry for the wind, by the way. I need one of those fuzzy mics. I don't have one yet. But actually, what am I doing? I'm not. You can't see anything. It's too low. So you can see both camber plates are maxed out. Right there. They're both exactly the same. So I really don't know why this side, it looks like it has more camber. But anyways, that's where I'm ending it for tonight, and I will see you tomorrow afternoon. So, later. Hey, what's up? It's that next day, and I told you I was going to put those 16s on the 240. I didn't put them all the way around, but I got them on the passenger side, and it looks not good, but it doesn't look terrible like it used to. So this is what it looks like right here. It makes it look like another ricey 240, so. And I mean, you know, fitment is not gonna be good at all, so. And you can see the back there, garbage. But they're drift space, so they're gonna work. And then there's this side, the good looking side. So I'm gonna slap the JMCs back on because they look considerably better than this. I wouldn't drive it like this. This is simply, these are just burner tires, that's all they are. So with that being said, and after showing you that, that's gonna conclude this video. So, you know, it's been over a few days. Sorry about that. It happens. But yeah, so got the fenders rolled, worked on Greg's car a little bit, and then slapped these wheels on for a look. But yeah, so ending it here. Thank you so much for watching. Just, you know, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, because you know you want to see more. And I'll see you next time. Later.